Fascinating facts about grasshoppers, from head to legs. Hello everyone. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of grasshoppers. These small insects might seem ordinary at first glance, but they are full of surprising and unique traits. Let's explore them from head to toe, or rather, from antenna to leg. 1. General overview. Grasshoppers belong to the order Orthoptera, which also includes crickets and locusts. There are over 11,000 species of grasshoppers worldwide. They are known for their strong hind legs that allow them to jump great distances, up to 20 times their body length. They are herbivores, mostly feeding on grass, leaves, and crops. While they may seem harmless, in large numbers, they can be incredibly destructive. 2. Head. Let's start with the head of a grasshopper. It contains several important parts. Antennae. Long, thin sensory organs used to feel and smell their surroundings. They are highly sensitive. Compound eyes. These give them a wide field of vision. A grasshopper can detect motion very well, important for escaping predators. Simple eyes. Ocelli. They have 3 small eyes between the compound ones that help detect light intensity. Mouthparts. They have powerful mandibles, jaws that move side to side for chewing tough plant material. They can munch through leaves easily. Unique fact. A grasshopper's mouth works sideways, unlike human jaws which move up and down. 3. Thorax. The thorax is the middle section of the body and is divided into 3 segments: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Each one has a pair of legs attached. Pronotum. This is the shield-like plate covering the top of the prothorax. It protects vital parts and helps with muscle attachment. Legs. Front and middle legs, used for walking and climbing. Hind legs. These are much larger and contain powerful muscles. They act like springs to enable jumping. Unique fact. Their hind legs can generate more force than any other insect muscle, allowing them to leap with incredible power. Wings. Grasshoppers have 2 pairs. Forewings leathery and protective, and hindwings thin and used for flying. Unique fact. Some species can make music by rubbing their wings or legs, a process called stridulation. 4. Abdomen. The abdomen contains important internal systems. Spiracles. Small holes along the sides that grasshoppers use to breathe. Air enters and exits through these, going directly to tissues. Unique fact. Grasshoppers don't have lungs. Their breathing system is called the tracheal system. Tympanum. A flat, circular hearing organ located on the first segment of the abdomen. Unique fact. It acts like an ear, allowing the grasshopper to detect sounds and vibrations. Reproductive organs. Found at the end of the abdomen. Females have an ovipositor, a pointed structure used to lay eggs in soil or plant material. Digestive and excretory systems. The abdomen houses the crop, stomach, intestines, and Malpighian tubules, which filter waste from the blood. 5. Behavior and unique abilities. Camouflage. Many grasshoppers can blend into their environment to avoid predators. Some have colors that look like dry leaves or grass. Jumping power. They can jump up to 1 meter in distance. Their takeoff speed is extremely fast, like a catapult. Sound communication. Male grasshoppers often produce songs to attract females or claim territory. Molting. As they grow, grasshoppers shed their exoskeleton multiple times, a process called molting. 6. Fun and weird facts. Grasshoppers existed before dinosaurs. They've been around for over 250 million years. In some cultures, they are considered a delicacy and are rich in protein. A single grasshopper swarm can eat hundreds of tons of crops in a single day. This is why locust swarms are feared. Despite their strong legs, they can't jump backward. Conclusion. So, from their complex eyes to their strong jumping legs, grasshoppers are more than just garden insects. They are masters of movement, communication, and survival. Next time you see one, take a closer look. You're witnessing a miniature marvel of biology and evolution. Thank you for listening, and I hope you now see grasshoppers in a whole new light.